What is going on, guys? It has been a little while. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to explain a little bit what's been happening with my trading, with the VIP channel, and of course with the markets from my perspective and from my point of view with my strategy. And basically, since let's get straight into it. Since I would say the start of September, right? The start of September was pretty decent. But ever since I would say around about the 7th onwards up until now, since yesterday or the day before, the market has been in this consolidation phase, right, where not much has been happening, no clear direction in the market. Although, if we zoom out, we can see, from the overall scale of things, price seems to be in an uptrend. Sorry, I didn't mean to press that. Price seems to be in an uptrend, right? It's because it's in a different color. But if from this perspective, if you just zoom out, you can say, okay, price is definitely trending to the upside. We've had some pullbacks, and we're in another pullback right now. But if we go into recent price action, we can see that price is now creating this kind of downtrend structure with lower highs and lower lows, and it is currently potentially in a downtrend, right? In a short-term downtrend after a longer-term uptrend, right? So generally when things like this happen, you can get some consolidation and you can get some sideways movements, exactly like in these two scenarios right here. Not really any direction in the market, and no real volume. You can see price hasn't, within this area right here, price didn't really move much at all. From the highs to the lows, it moved 200 pips, right? And if we put that as an example, from the lows to the highs in this move up, price moved 630 pips. And then from this move to this move here, 340 pips or so, right? So price has been stuck in this 200 pip range in this consolidation for a long time, since the start of December. From the start of September. And so ever since then, we really haven't taken any trades, right? I think the last trade we had, I was just looking, I called out here. This was in the free Telegram, and this was on the 7th of September. Right here, right? This one right here. This is my trade. Today's GBP JPY trade idea, right? And we took sales, and this is the sales that here hit take profit beautifully. For 46 pips, right? And that was on the 7th of September. So that is basically right here when this consolidation started. And you can see how powerful my strategy is, right? We miss out on all of this crap, right? All of this consolidation, all of this range. We miss out on all of that, and we only trade volume. And we only trade when the markets are moving, they're trending, there's market structure, and there's volume in the market, right? And then, of course, on Friday here, we finally had this move down and we broke out of this consolidation phase. And now we played around again this week, and that's why there was no trades again up until Wednesday, right? And we had a trade on Wednesday here. Was it Wednesday? No, Tuesday, I'm pretty sure. 26th, which was, Tuesday. So we had a trade here on Tuesday. This was called out in the VIP channel right here. As you can see, GJ sells. Entry, stop loss, take profit, and you can see here full take profit. Eventually got hit there in the end. We did dip down nicely and for around about 35 pips profit, where you can see I took majority of my profits right there. But then price did end up hitting the overall 40 pip target, and so, which was good because we finally saw, like I said, a move out of this consolidation with these candles down right here. We see a slight consolidation again in here, but hopefully price can sustain this move down now and start trending, start creating more market structure to the downside potentially. I don't see any reason for it not to, probably up until, I don't know, maybe around like this area right here could be an area of interest where price could be targeting to find some kind of support to bounce back up to the upside. But for the meantime, I don't know why it would not continue bearish. As long as we respect these zones that we're breaking, right? So we can see here we have a consolidation. We broke it, retested it, and it looks like price might be continuing to the downside here. We will see what happens. But if we go to this trade on Tuesday, let's take a quick look. This is the daily, I think. Yeah, 1 day. Right, so here's Tuesday right here, right? So this red candle, which is the one we took down here on Tuesday. From here to here, mark this out. This is Tuesday's candle. We're just going to mark out this level right here in the market. If we go to the 1 hour, we'll turn this off. So basically what I saw, right, was this move down, right? A lot of volume in the market right here. Big move down, and then price started pulling back. And price started to create some kind of resistance in here. And then also in here as well, we had these two touches, right? We had boom, boom in here. Let me just delete this. I don't need this. Price created this resistance. And then we also had this level in here. And basically, what I was expecting was just a continuation of this move, right? So price finally broke out of this consolidation. We had a nice pullback, and we started to trend to the downside again. And basically, what I was looking for here was coming into pre-London session. So this was a few hours or a couple hours before London session open. We start to see the high volume candles, and this is the 1 hour chart, right? We start to see these candles start to close quite aggressively bearish. And basically what I did was just put my sell stops quite a bit below that support area, so that if price is going to break it, which again, there's more reasons why I took this sell, but that is one of the reasons, right? Just simple market structure, trending to the downside. What's this? Yeah, so market was trending to the downside. We saw that volume come in, and then we get the pre-London session starting to come in, which oftentimes will continue that move from the the previous sessions. Will continue that bearish move, and that's exactly what happened. And again, this is strategy plus experience that I'm speaking from here. And obviously, there's a lot more to it, but this is my strategy. I'm not gonna give too much away. But basically, I had 40 pip stops and 40 pip take profit right there, just to continue that move to the downside as price breaks this kind of minor support in here. But basically, price was creating highs, lower highs, lower highs, right? So price was creating this kind of pattern in the market where it's trending down, but it's retesting the support and not breaking it. And then we get this double top in here, right, where the bodies exactly line up perfectly. If that's yeah, let's try this. We can see, right, the double top right in there where the bodies of the candles line up perfectly. We've got 1, 2, double top, right? And then we start showing rejection, which is the upside. We start with the volume, right, with this volume candle down, pullback, volume candles down, strong bearish closures. Like I said, with market structure, key zones, pre-London, like on pound pairs, that from pre-London session to London open, you're gonna get that volume in the market, and then it's just understanding where the market is going to next based off of your other confluences, right? Like I said, market structure, price action, key levels, overall trend, higher time frame trend, higher time frame market structure, everything like that, all lining up to give us this beautiful trade here. And like I said, this was called out live in my VIP Telegram channel right here. You can see entry 181479, and if we go in here, we'll see 181. So it was there or there enough. 181,479. My actual entry was right there. 40 pips, 40 pips. Right, and we can see there. Beautiful entry. And then price actually came back to retest that level where it's currently at right now, live session, and it looks like it's rejecting again. We've got a nice bearish engulfing candle here. So probability that GJ can continue bearish. And we've got this level in here, which you could probably just draw up in here like this to the bodies of those candles. So yeah, that could be a target for today. It's around about a 60 pip range. We'll see what happens here closer to London session. But that was the trade. And like I said, that was our first trade since the 7th of September. But we previously had, where are we? If I go back here, we had 3 trades at the start of September, which were all winning trades. If I go back since the 1st of September, where are we? 1st of September, right here. What's that? Yesterday's trade, 130 pips. So we had this one, beautiful sales on GJ. We had have a look. Yeah, here we go. GJ's trade for today, right? So this was on the 4th of September. We had another beautiful win, hitting full take profit. Look at that, the volume coming into the market. Beautiful. So that's 2 trades again, right? Another one. This was on the 5th of September, the very next day. Did it hit take profit? Oh, hit that one, hit stop loss, right? So we had 2 wins so far, 1 loss. Again, another one. So this is the 6th of September, GJ's intraday trade, right? And here we see take profit hit, right? Take profit hit again. So that's 3 wins, 1 loss. Sharing my profits. And then again, the 7th of September, which was the last trade we had for September up until the other day, that hit take profit again. So another beautiful trade. So that's 4 wins, 1 loss. And then including this one that we had the other day, that's 5 wins and 1 loss for September. Like I said, they were called out in the free Telegram, but now I have a VIP Telegram, which is where these were sent out, where yesterday's one was sent out, or Tuesday one was sent out. And I also post some swing trading ideas in this channel as well as the my strategy video right here, which is a 38-minute long video going over exactly how I trade GJ and how you can apply it to any pair you want. But in this video, I'll go over my strategy. So that's all in the VIP here, you know, sharing high impact news for the week. Some swing trades hitting take profit. This was Euro USD, and there was also Euro CHF hitting take profit, which was also shared in the VIP. So yeah, that is the update. So we're all good in the VIP. We're waiting patiently for our trades. We're not over trading. We're not getting FOMO. We're not jumping into the market when the market isn't lining up nicely for us. We're waiting patiently. Like I said, 4 or 5 winning trades and 1 loss so far for September, which is beautiful. Like I said to my members, if you have the capital, which is what you should be focused on for the future, having the right capital and growing your capital, staying patient, saving your money, compounding your accounts with money you make from your job, as well as your trading profits, eventually you will have the right capital, and you don't need to be taking 5 trades a day, 2 trades a day, 1 trade a day. You can focus on really good, high quality setups, and you can trade them, and you can still make amazing money, even if you only have 5, 6, 7 trades for the month, right? And we are the 28th. We have 2 more trading days left. So today and tomorrow, we'll see what the market brings. So we still could end up having a couple more wins or another loss, who knows? But yeah, that is the update. That is how we're going. It's running very smoothly over here with our trading. if you want to learn the strategy, if you want to understand my strategy a bit better, you can join the VIP, watch the 38-minute long video, and then you can leave. It's completely up to you, or you can stay around and see how I trade. But yeah, GJ, beautiful. You know, we waited. We literally waited from the, where is it? The 7th of September. So that is 1, 2, almost 3 weeks for a trade, right? Almost 3 weeks for a trade, and we didn't take a trade up until that point because we waited. And look what happened after 3 weeks. We waited, and what happened? We had a winning trade, right? We didn't just try and jump in anywhere over here like, oh, what if I miss out? Oh, this looks okay, I might trade this. I haven't traded in 2 weeks. I need to take a trade soon. And then you end up losing, right? We don't do any of that over here. We stay patient. We stay, focused. We give what the market, we take what the market gives us, all right? We don't try and force any trades. We wait for the market to come to us, we execute, and we take profits, all right? So, like I said, if you're interested, the links will be down below. We'll see what the rest of the month brings us. I'll update you on another video for the end of the month, kind of recap. But yeah, that was the trade on GJ, beautiful. And we have some swing trades currently that we're watching and open, but I'm not going to share those. That's different. But yeah, GJ provided us with profits. Beautiful month so far. Focus on getting your capital up, and then you can relax. Take only good trades that you need for the month and still make 20 plus K, 10, 15, 20 plus K a month. Even if you take 3 or 4, 5 winning trades for the month, right? That's what you should be focused on. That should be your goal. So all in all, yeah, happy. See you guys in the next video. I am currently on a new setup. I bought a new PC, so that's why this might look different, might sound different. I'm just trying it out, see how it is. Hopefully the quality is good. I might have to tweak some settings here and there, but hopefully the quality of this video is decent and you guys can see what I'm doing and understand what I'm saying. I hope. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage, stay calm, stay patient. All right, see you in the next one.